I want to share with everyone my why for doing digital marketing. So, a lot of you, and if you don't know me, I'm Crystal, I'm a mom, I'm a pharmacist, I've got my master's and my PhD degree in pharmacology. But yet I was still not happy, right? Because the day I became a mom, I thought I'm going to be that present mom. I'm going to be there like my mom was for me. And unfortunately, in the career that I am in, it wasn't possible. I was working from 7 to 4 every day. And one of the hardest parts for me last year was when I had to drop off my little girl at school at 7 a.m. in the morning, go to work, and then only pick her up after 4. It was really such a heartbreaking, and I actually felt so guilty because I was like, I became a mom to look after her. I became a mom to be there for her, and now I'm dropping her off in someone else's care, right? But I knew I had no other choice because I had to work. And I'm sure there's a lot of moms out there that feel exactly the same. And a lot of her milestones one misses if you're a working mom. And in the old end, I sat and I thought to myself, but why am I working so hard? At what cost? At the cost of, okay, I've got to put food on the table. But in the old end, I'm missing out on all those moments, and it broke my heart. And that's when I said to myself, I need to find something that will help me, build something on the side so long so that I can become a present mom. And that's when I found digital marketing. And now I've followed the program, I've set up my business, it's running for me in the background, and I'm finally working towards a life where I can be present for every little moment, every little milestone, while still being able to provide, because this online business that I've built lets me earn daily, right? So I want to say to you, if you're a mommy out there that's ever felt that heartache or still feels that heartache or that guilt of dropping off a little girl at school or at daycare because you have to go to work, I just want to say to you, it doesn't have to be like that forever, right? Because you can create a life where you can be a present mom, where you can work from home. And God made us mothers for a reason, to be there for our kids, right? So if you want to make that change, if you want to start building something that can finally give you that life, then please comment mom, and I'd love to share this information with you, and we can have a chat, and I'll share all the other information with you further. All right, have a good day.